As I left the factory, I couldn't shake the feeling of wonder and admiration that had settled over me.
The roots were then fed into a series of machines specially designed to peel and clean them.
But there was also a sense of urgency in the air, a recognition of the importance of their work. As I watched the production line in action, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe at the sheer ingenuity and technology that The production of cassava flour is a meticulous process that requires precision, dedication, and expertise. Next, the roots were grated into a fine pulp, a process that released a sweet, starchy scent that hung heavy. Transcription. The next step in the preparation of cassava involved crushing the roots into a fine pulp.
Transcription. Once the cassava roots had been turned into a smooth paste, it was time to extract the liquid from it.
Once the cassava pulp was ready, it was transferred to large stainless steel tanks where it would undergo fermentation.
I think we're seeing an anomaly in Sector 3.
Let me pull up the diagnostics.
Finally, as the sun began to set outside, the last batch of cassava flour was ready. As I moved through the drying room, I saw workers carefully monitoring the drying process, checking the cassava pulp.
Tạc sang tiếp, đang số các tấm chân xâm phiên cảnh những quờ thạp. Lúc thang xâm nâng cần căng pin, vì xâm mình khăn chóng phím nàng.
I was struck by the care and attention to detail that went into every step of the process. The workers
As I stepped into the processing and packaging area of the United States giant cassava flour factory, I was immediately struck by the hive of activity all around me. Once the cassava pulp was fully dried, it was passed through a series of milling machines that ground it into a fine flour.
As I watched the workers in the packaging area, I could see the pride and dedication in their eyes.
As I left the processing and packaging area of the United States giant cassava flour factory, I was struck by the sheer scale of the operation.